Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Friday, August 25th. And what do we got going on today? Well, we've got some red items. So at 10 o'clock, we have the revised University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Report, as well as the revised University of Michigan inflation expectations. All very important. 10:05, even more important, is the Fed Chair Powell speaking today from Jackson Hole. Also, several other FOMC members speaking. Harker speaking at 11. Harker speaking again at 11:30. The Jackson Hole Symposium is going on all day. And then FOMC member Goolsbee speaking at 12:30 and at 2 p.m. Then we get the treat of having the ECB President Lagarde speaking at 3 p.m. So a bunch of talking heads today. Be aware that they can say something that can totally, the market can interpret one way or the other and cause great bit of volatility. So that is what's going on today. Also, I don't know if you guys are aware, but I use Twitter. I don't tweet, but I use TweetDeck. I follow a bunch of other, financial guys, and my TweetDeck has just stopped working, and they're trying to exploit me for $84 a year to have what was a free service. Is what it is. I don't like it, but I guess I'm not going to have much of a choice since there really isn't a good Twitter alternative. It would be okay if there was, and there are some, but you have to have all the people you're following be on that as well. So anyway, is what it is. What do we got going on? Wow, this daily chart is really starting to get interesting. Definitely could have a right shoulder going on here. So I took a line to see if we can look at that giant range expansion day and sort of project, okay, where could it go? Well, you go up that high or it could go that low, right? That seems a little bit unrealistic, so I'm going to go with about some sort of little happy medium here and say, all right, where could it go? It could go down to 43.07. It could also go as high as 45.61. My guess is it's going to be somewhere in this range here from yesterday, maybe even be an inside day. Would not surprise me. However, it is Friday, and we do have several people speaking today, including Powell. So maybe it could even come down a little bit and break the low. This most recent swing low, 43.49. That's my best guess. And that's all it is, a guess. That's what we do, is we educated guesses. Inventory. Wow, big price down day, big range expansion day, and the inventory was really, really ugly. Interesting how the inventory was down about 40,000. The previous day, it was up about 46,000. So I thought that was kind of interesting. Is what it is. Again, no particular pattern, correlated, so I'm not worried about the market being out of sync. Looks good. Looking at the intraday, looking for support and resistance on your intraday. So overnight range was, about 25 points, which is about normal these days. So let's look for support first. Support, we have some good support at the low, the overnight low, 43.78 area. Some more at 43.60. And then there's a little cluster down here around the whole number, 43.50. On the top side, resistance. Wow. You can see that there's really nothing from where we're currently at until you get all the way, maybe a little bit at 44.20, but it really up until 44.58. And then there's a whole decent amount of resistance around the 44.80 level. So those are your intraday levels. Stock Traders Almanac, 57.1, 57.1, so a 7.1 positive bias based on historics from the Stock Traders Almanac. You have a great day and a great weekend. I'll see you guys on Monday. Hey, thanks for watching the Morning Brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.